Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to go live on TikTok. To start, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. In here, you should be able to find the live option when you scroll down on the bottom corner. If it's not there, head into your profile on the bottom right. Then in here, tap on the three horizontal lines, then go to Settings and Privacy. In here, click on Live. Then tap on Live Events. If you don't have the option this time, scroll down over at Settings and then go to Report a Problem. On Report a Problem, scroll down until you see Live. Tap on it. In here, in Hosting Live, tap on How to Start a Live. In here, just click on No. In this section of the tutorial, all you have to do this time is to input your problem over TikTok. Or you can wait for me to finish typing and then you can copy what I am writing in here. Once done, click on Submit. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.